All right, let's head to the table and check out what we got. Some new products from Imoum New Live. Should we unbox these babies?
Yeah.
So Imoum New Live sent both of these to us to test out. So we have a electric or a battery powered power pressure washer, and then we also have an electric pruning shears. Which one do you guys want to open up first? All right, let's open up the pruning shears. All right, let's see what we got in the box here. Yeah. So like I said, the company did send this to us to test out, so I'll leave a link in the description for both of these if you're looking to purchase them. Oh, look, you get a nice little carrying case right there. What do you think, babe?
No.
Yep. So we get some directions, some safety glasses. You want to try these on?
I got clippers.
So there are the shears right there.
Batteries.
Let's see. We get a battery. Oh, you get 2 batteries. Look at that. 1 and 2. Charger. And then some tools. Should we get this baby set up?
Yeah. Already up.
All right, let's get it. Oh, look, so the button right there is to turn it on and then squeeze the trigger. Oh, there you go. That works pretty good. All right, let's get this baby set up and we'll give her a shot. All right, so we figured out how to use it. So you just pull the trigger, it closes. Open it, close. So it's a lot easier than using like a manual one, hey?
Yeah.
All right, I want to test it out in some of these. I've been waiting to cut. Oh yeah, nice.
Really fast.
All right. Nice, look how fast you can do it. There's a couple more over here. Want to cut those? I'll time you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, look how quick that is. Should we try some thicker stuff to test out?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, here's one of the bigger ones. It says it can do up to about 1 inch. So, holy cow, look how easily that went. That's a thick little branch right there. There you go. Nice job.
So thick.
You want to keep working the trail? We got a kind of an overgrown trail here. Why don't you try to get some of these? Oh, there's some big ones. Here's some one to get right here. Yeah. Try to get nice and low. Yep. Oh my gosh, that's nice. Keep getting some of these bigger ones over here.
Yeah, this one's like in this yard.
Here. Oh wow, that is nice. We'll pull it through. Get see if we can get that. Yeah, some other ones.
Oh, I think this is not gonna cut.
I don't think that'll even fit through there. Oh my gosh, that's a huge one that you just got. I'll have to cut that one through. Holy cow. Nice, grab a couple more of these ones over here. Nice.
It's stuck to the front.
Wow. So that works pretty good. Let's try the attachment I have for it.
Yeah.
You know, they do have this separate attachment, so you can throw the battery and then the clippers on this separate attachment. It's for a chainsaw, but let's see if it can work with this pruning shears here. All right, so the battery is in, and then you can hook up the machine to that, to the end right there, and then you could really extend these a lot further, but for these purposes, push the trigger. All right, let's try to get some long ones. There's a nice long one up there.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, look at that.
Simba.
Works the, see if we can get really high up in those trees over there. All right, I got the pinchers on here. Let's see how high we can go here. Let's just try to get one up here. See you can see them. Sweet, so with this baby you can get like 15-20 feet in the air here. That's really awesome. Want to do a little more cutting?
Yeah.
Man, that thing works good, eh?
Yeah.
Let's go try out that pressure washer. Let's do it. All right, up next we have this power washer. So it's a battery operated power washer. Like I said before, I'll leave a link in the description for for this product as well. But yeah, it looks like we get this hose, a case, there's a nozzle, some attachments. Oh, you get a battery right there.
There's something. Oh, this is like the change like speeds.
Yeah, you can change the different speeds on there. Oh yeah, there's the actual
It's where you put water in
unit right here. So I think that's probably where you put
water.
Maybe soap or something like that. Cool. Let's get this together quick, and then we can. Do you want to test this out?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, so we got this power washer out. So this front nozzle, you just connect to the front, and then the hose you connect here. So I think the cool thing about this is you can put it directly to your spigot, or you can just put the end of the hose in a bucket of water. So we'll test out both ways to do it. Let's and then there's also this you can fill this up with soap and then soap down the car. So we got some soap over here. You want to help me?
Yeah.
All right. So let's connect it to the spigot and then see how it does. All right, we got the water connected to. So it looks like it kind of sprays out already, but we got it turned on. And there's different settings you can do. See? There's a squirter. So let's do 15. Now put on the water. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, it looks like it adds a lot more power to your hose like that. There we go. I'll try a different setting here.
Yeah.
Let's try the really hard one. Ready? Oh, there we go. All right, so now we got the soap connected. So it looks like it. There we go. Nice, look at all that soap right there. Looking good, babe. All right, probably one of the coolest things about this power washer is that you do not need running water to use it. So if you don't have a spigot or you're like on the lake or something, you can just put this filter up onto the end of the hose there, and then you can go ahead and run your power washer. There we go. Nice. So yeah, like I said, handy by the lake or wherever you don't have running water, you can still get a nice flow. Let's try out another. Let's try, how about down over there? Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, that's a really cool feature of this thing. All right, let's head back to the table. All right, here we are back at the table. Spent about a week or so testing out these two products, the electric shears and the power washer. So which one was your guys' favorite?
I like this one.
The shears? Oh, you liked the power washer?
Yeah.
How come you like the power washer?
Because it like sprays.
So you like spraying, using it as a spray gun, and you like the electric shears, eh?
Because like you can cut really fast with it.
Yeah, it's super easy to cut, and it's actually fun. Look at all that brush we accumulated just over a week or so using this electric shears. So like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you're looking to purchase one of these. You know, this one definitely would be really cool to use if you don't have like a water source. You can throw it right in a lake or a bucket of water and it squirts out pretty good. And you know, this, like I said, is really surprisingly fun to use, and I don't think I'll ever go back to a manual pruner again. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.